Hello, today I'm going to introduce this XVR to you. What you see now is our unboxing show. This is the coaxial cable connecting the camera and XVR. One end with DC female port is to connect XVR and power supply. The end with DC male port is to connect the camera. Connect the power first. Then connect the VGA or HDMI cable. Connect mouse. Connect LAN cable. Then connect the first camera to the XVR. Follow the steps in this video. Finally, connect the remaining 3 cameras, according to the connection method of the first camera. Wait for about 30 seconds, XVR will complete booting. Click skip to get started. Please connect XVR to the network first. Open SriHome app. Scan the QR code on the device to add XVR. Enter the name and the default password A8A8. Then you can remotely view it with your mobile phone.